going to store a string in my variable. I would like every single word in this string to begin with a capital letter. Please type this string and see if you can turn each word begin with a capital letter. Now they came back. They don't begin with capital letters because we didn't overwrite A. Now A is overwritten with each word beginning with a capital letter, and it is also called an uppercase. I'll just copy this string. Now I am overwriting A again. This time, I would like every single letter in this string to be capital or uppercase. Please see if you guys can change it a little so that every single letter is lowercase.